Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Pocket Change Yellow puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Brian Cran. Difficulty level of the Pocket Change Yellow is 6 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove the coin. If you take a close look at the puzzle, you will find that it looks like there are no moving parts. There is only coin and a small square cutout. But there is a part on the left, it is white color, and on the right it's just a decoy, but on the left you can push it. It looks like a button. But when you push it again, you will find that it is some kind of a maze and you have to figure out the way how to solve it. And when you move almost like all the maze out and it feels like the coin is about to be removed, you will find that, yeah, that's not the solution and you have to keep looking for the correct way to solve the puzzle. The Pocket Change Yellow is a part of a Pocket Change puzzle series. There are 4 puzzles in this series: Pocket Change Yellow, Purple, Orange and Red. All of them come in a small silk bag of the color of the puzzle. And all 4 puzzles are 3D printed and they're very well made. If you like the Pocket Change Yellow and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.